Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. As we all know, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level this year have given us many tough times, but our teachers have always been surely a ray of hope. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respective teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it's been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have always been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope up with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on the behalf of each and every student in IMED. Thank you so much for always guiding us, inspiring us.
शिक्षक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Thank you teachers for supporting us every time we need you. Thank you teachers for making us more responsible, and thank you for every opportunity through which we can rise up in our lives. Honestly saying, those one-to-one interactions with you, those role plays and sharing our experiences with you was best and much better than these online classes. We miss you a lot. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love to you. In the end, I would like to say, जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी, जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना चुका पाएंगे हम इसका कर्जा. माँ ही नहीं, भगवान के बराबर है गुरु का उतना ही मान दर्जा. Thank you.
I couldn't express how grateful I feel to be a part of IMED and be under the guidance of such amazing faculties. I think I have seen the best personalities of my life in this college. Sucheta ma'am, you taught me how effortlessly you manage everything. Shraddha ma'am, you're a pioneer. I want to be like you one day. I think you always saw the best in me. Digankar sir, you're one of my favorite. I don't think this lockdown could have been more productive if you weren't there. Falke sir, you taught me the value of discipline and how that discipline can lead you to success. So I here wish you very happy Teachers' Day, and we are very much missing you all, and we all want to see you as soon as possible. Enjoy your day, and we all love you.
I would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers, wishing you good health and prosperity always. It is so inspiring to see that even in such tough times, you are leaving no stone unturned so that we don't miss out on our academics as well as extracurriculars. It really motivates us to become just like you. Whenever it was needed, I always found my teachers there to support me, and I am grateful for each and every teacher in my life. Happy Teachers' Day once again.
अपने टीचर्सों के बारे में कुछ कहने के लिए ना ही मेरे पास कोई शब्द है और ना ही अल्फाज है. मैं क्या कहूँ, मतलब इतनी पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में वो हम लोगों की नॉलेज का ध्यान रखते हुए, हम लोगों की एजुकेशन का ध्यान रखते हुए हम लोगों को कॉलेज पढ़ाने आते हैं. एंड डोंट इवन वरिंग अबाउट देमसेल्व्स, दे ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट. सो I would just like to thank you so much to all the faculty members and non-teaching staff. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Wish you a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
On this Teachers' Day, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during this lockdown. You not only have taught us the new way of learning, but also motivated us during this lockdown. Happy Teachers' Day to all the faculties and directors of IMED and all the teachers with whom I have learned in my life.
On this special day, I would love to say few things as a student. I know teaching is a hard work. Thank you for making us and building our future. Those who understand, they teach. We are glad that a day is tributed to all those who teach us students. A big thank you to all teachers who guided and supported us. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day.